So this is a video review of the Air Choice 12-inch portable floor fan. It doesn't say floor fan, but I call it a floor fan. I've got this inside, but this fan is going to be my go-to fan in the garage for working underneath the car, working at the car, and it does move a lot of air. It is rechargeable, which some people would say I'd be skeptical of that. Obviously, you're not going to run this thing forever, but it definitely moves air. When you first turn it on, which I just did, it is in speed 6. Shows a full charge, and you put this thing up to, it goes up to 12. And when it's at 12, it's really moving some air. I like the design of this fan because it's really, really open, pulls a lot of air in. There's nothing, no complicated vents under anything like that. It's just real simple. Open in the back, open in the front, and it moves a lot of air. For a rechargeable fan in a garage, this is actually going to be it's going to be a lifesaver for just keeping things cool underneath the car when you're working. And if you wanted to take this thing out on the patio or something like that, if it's a hot day, it would actually move some air. It also it charges by USB-C. That's the input for charging. And then if you wanted to use it to charge something, there's a USB-A, so you can actually charge your phone on this thing. And it actually does run quite a bit of time. This display will go out after a minute or so, just to conserve battery. And then if you're done, you just hit the off button.